Y'all, I just made some slime.
It's so big. It is sticky.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna mix it and just let y'all watch.
Look, now she got a lotion.
Yeah, it's lotion over there. But I really don't need no lotion. But okay, I don't need none. Because my slime is sticky, not hard. See it right there? This is my cool.
But her slime not sticky, huh?
Is it more pink enough?
No.
No. So, the makeup.
Guys, I'm finna take y'all somewhere where I can
Break the hell.
I need my slime. Don't mind it. I think it's here is the slime. Okay guys, I got the light on. I'm gonna shut the door. I'm going to lock it. Okay, yeah, so you see the slime? Okay. But I'm finna give y'all a little ASMR with it. If it's not so sticky, then I might take it off the thing. I'm really scared to put it on this dresser because it's like a whole bunch of hair from me trying to get my bun up so neat. I'll make sure. Yeah, don't my braids look tight. But they are not tight at all. Oh, that's so cute. My hair is so freaking cute. And then the back like curves around. If y'all can see it like curls around. Cute, right? Cute. I will be giving y'all a review on my hair. But yeah, let me get the rest of this love. Here. Okay, so I got the hair off, and here's the slime, and I'm finna dump it on this. I'm still scared. Okay, let me see. Can y'all see me very well? Okay. Guys, this got slime all over it. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please do not get all over my hands. Guys, it's not getting all over my hands. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Oh, I didn't mean to say that. Oh my gosh, y'all. Let me show y'all some. Did I just put the hair in my slime? Okay. Yeah, I'm finna do a thumbnail really quick. Hold on. And I might edit it and put it on the front of my video. 1, 2, hold on. 1. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me do that over. I don't think that was cute. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So yeah. I'm finna give y'all a little poking tutorial. And I'm going to have my Etsy shop in the description. I would put it right here. Let's see if it'll pop up. Hold on. Etsy shop. There it is. But yeah, I will have my Etsy shop in the description. Because I know some of y'all don't like running y'all videos back. So y'all be like, oh, she said she was going to give us her Etsy shop and y'all can't find it in the video. Well, it will be in the description box. Okay. Guys, I like this one. Let me give y'all some ASMR, and then after that ASMR, I will be gone. Because, you know, I have some business to take care of. But, y'all, let me stop. Let's see if, oh yeah, Zoom. Okay. First, let me bring this up. Okay, y'all. I'm finna give y'all a little more of this slime. And then, finna end this video. It's so freaking, like, it's so freaking, like, what's that name called? What's that name called? Not shiny, but, like, it's so, what is it called? What is it called? What is it called? It's, like, so freaking shimmery. I know that's not the word, but I'm just gonna say a word since I don't know the word. It's like so freaking shiny. It's like I added some baby oil to it, but I didn't. Guys, at the end, like when I get done after this video, I might put some foam beads in it, and I'll show y'all on the next video. Let me smell this slime. Oh, it smells good. No, it actually don't smell good. It smells like you know, contact solution doesn't have smell, but the baking soda gives it like a freaking smell, like a nasty smell. It stinks like very bad. Very bad. Very bad. Well, yeah. Bye, guys.